welcome to the channel. This is Prince Joseph, and today we're going to be making 4 types of spam sandwiches. I'm not going to disclose what these sandwiches are actually going to be or going to contain, what ingredients are going to be in each one. So I'd like you to come with me and let's discover this together. As a noun, the first thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to slice our spam, and we're going to try to get 8 slices from the spam. I haven't calculated if it's possible to do so or not, but I'm going to try. Hopefully I get 8. If not, I'll use however many slices that I get. All right, let's get on with it. Okay, so for now, we have our slices cut sort of perfectly, and we're going to proceed and fry all the slices that we have here on our chopping board, with the exception of one. And that one, we're going to use it in one of the sandwiches that we're planning on making. I'm not going to tell you, as I said, I don't even know, but I'm just going to reserve one on the side, and then we'll see what we use that for. Okay, so let's get on with it. Let's roll. Okay, now that we're here, put some oil in the pan. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me turn it down a little bit. Nicely fried on one side. Okay, this is also the issue. Yeah. All right, that's good. Now they're looking nice. Oh, everything is just the way it is. What you see is what you get. What you see here is what you get. It's truly what is happening, you know? But I'm getting them out. Getting them out, getting them out. All right, come out. All right, good, 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 good. Now we're gonna make the first set. So for the first set, I have 2 slices of bread. I'm going to butter them up and toast them in the frying pan. So that's one, and that's the second. Oh yeah, it's melting beautifully. Ask me why I'm using my fingers to touch something that is heated. I think I've been doing it for quite some time that I'm comfortable using my fingers. Add on a slice of cheese here. Get 2 slices of spam. I'll add 2 sliced tomatoes to it, and then now I'll put this on top. I don't want the bottom to burn so much, so I'll flip it again. Have the other side. Ooh. Okay. Now we're going to be making the second sandwich. So let's get on with that one as well. Cracked egg. Another one, and get rid of the shells. Go back, get some salt, just a little dash We're gonna whisk all together. We're gonna whisk it all together. I'm gonna fry it on low heat, and the reason why I'm doing that is that if you fry it on high heat, you probably won't be able to flip your egg. Even when you fry it on low heat, sometimes it's really difficult to flip the egg since it has spam in it. But I'm hoping that this will work out. I just want it to cook from the bottom up. Beautiful. We just flipped it nicely. Nicely. So we're going to add our secret ingredient, cheese, onto this egg, and we're going to fold the egg over the cheese. I know it's going to cause our egg to break, but let's just give it a try. Okay, it's sort of working. The best thing to make this back. Transfer it onto a plate, and I'm gently going to brown the back of the bread. While we wait for the toast to brown, I just want you to see this. Take a look at that. I don't know how, if you can see it, because it's looking a bit whitish from where I'm standing. But if you can't see it in this view, there is another view. Alright, that's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so now we'll see what a toast looks like. We'll bring it, we'll take them both out. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, so our second sandwich is also ready. Now we're going to be moving on to the third sandwich. We're going to add some butter into this pan. And I'm looking for, but I'm shooting for probably over easy. There we go. Okay, a little bit salt. A bit of oil. Two slices of spam, a greasy egg, And that's it. And there you go. I show it to you here all the time. I'm not so sure what you're seeing. I think it looks good. Okay, now we're going to move on to our fourth and last one. Our last and final sandwich is going to contain Spam, onions, tomatoes, and lettuce, right? And then I'm going to use a mixture of mayo and ketchup as a spread on top of our bread. So I'll spread that evenly across on the sauce. There we go. And we'll add some onions. I'm choosing the very thin onions. And then I'll get some tomatoes as well. So we'll add the Spam onto it, and then we'll put lettuce just a little bit onto it. And we're finished with our fourth and last sandwich. That's very beautiful. Okay, so we'll move it here, toss it again, warm the back a little bit, and then we'll transfer it onto our tray. Okay, finally our four sandwiches are ready. So what we have here is we have a Spam omelette sandwich, and then we have grilled cheese with Spam, and then we have over easy with Spam, and then we have the SBLT, which is the Spam, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at this. Very light, very light runny yolk. And this is the other piece. Okay, this sort of has quite a substantial amount. Very nice. That into two as well. And now you see, when you look closely, you see our fresh Spam in our omelette, and then we have an additional layer of Spam, layering the top part of it. This is what this looks like. Look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I wanted you to see the whole thing, so I didn't want to cut around it and make it all pretty. So this is the original Spam omelette. Okay, the grilled cheese with Spam. And this is what that looks like. Oh, it's grilled cheese it's grilled cheese, Spam, and tomato. There you go. That looks amazing. This is the fourth and final one, as I keep saying. The Spam with lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Nice red onions. Yeah, check out the tomatoes, the Spam, and the lettuce. So this has a bit of color to it. I mean, more than the other ones, and it looks beautiful. So once again, my name is Prince Joseph. I love you. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again. Peace.